Ebusia Ojumtuni Kwabena Kwabena Eyefechi Fabe waso koyo beda mide eda waso ne hitmaker wabekasa concerning the failed marriages.
And I went through so much.
Yes, you did.
So much. To the extent that just sometimes I look at myself and I'm saying, hey.
Let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I'll pop into my video, I'm sure so subscribe. Eddie and mommy now if you work like notification bell necessary be any upload be about sabit in your can. I'm sure so be share so I'm a for frabe share. Now I like so Eddie and mommy. Now you need to kwabena or you be on sheda enka na worry mu nsem bebre because you need to our first second that it didn't hold, it didn't really go on well until on sheda nkasa about the marriages. But this time around wabekasa concerning the marriage I watch how our friends every ni ne ono ankasa ne brand ne any mu nsem bebre. Now this time around in the interview akoye between Saliman ewo Joy Prime Showtime eso na eni nsemu de odibi atuda pa by Ghana TV say men control say who be here say ye Ghana foi ye be patronize made in Ghana go say de be o my Ghana bitimi akonini na afa ne ntuma pa efrani santi we ye Ghana ni na produce made in Ghana go so kwadia what's my short video of what you produce now they sending numbers no wo screen so no ye be bo the row am free we here ntwemu bi anso bitimi afa numbers no by Ghana TV stream it 247 e wo YouTube and I feel Roku box, you could Google Play Store so app no bit me a download it now when you interact. Now in some
maybe someone say, na me must no more canana. Then I realized say people don't really know me.
Yep, they don't.
And they don't care to investigate. They only want to ride on their ego anymore. And I say, Bia. Oh, osimesi adwuma wo ye no sebe I don't know de hwe na busia enti asemo aye kwa kokan ebegu no hu fi enti ne moma yenye hwehwemu ne ehunu sa asemo aye kan anu no ne kware no also kan wade se besi ne ma chechire mu senti a
basa
abia be jaya wade se me kan ya but me ko internet so me who speculations bebre and Sabio one and the kind of what is some bedroom
nobody
inti Sabi me and me walk limelight muno I'm the last person I will expect to say discuss it what's the massive Sabi only pana bia menene tena no o pese me begu no hu fi anaso o pese me beka senti bia aware na nye me nipa me just robofo nti I can also make some mistakes in life but then if you don't know the details don't speculate nti ahonewo but then bisa me how you rise above it now and same years is here what assembly found on so to was ye pa obehunu the root of it one me who say I was forming the wrong company. I had certain people around me who didn't like my growth. And you know, they were the people who were bent on doing everything they can to bring this image down.
Wow.
Na nyamin chade ya to ya boase no ye hunu say I was say ye decisions be because inner circle no hu here. And on this note, me manager
Ashes
for a good work done on when it comes to Sadian. Because you say imagine Drew baby, we had some enemies, let me put it that way. And we had certain people who were working tirelessly to
bring you down.
Brandon Nebegu. Wow. Yeah. And you know, who be our situation. Take a step back. Okay. I don't think I'm taking a step back. And one, Mrs. Simon number. Yeah. And I went code like
ghosting everybody, including me.
Yes.
Sweetheart.
Yes. Now for me, yeah. Now for me, metiwa na mati say oh yeah drugs.
Yeah.
Yeah. So time now, I was finding ways to write a new album. I was trying to get my mojo back. I was like,
because you also gone through some stuff too.
I've gone through, you know.
Yeah.
Now, for bloggers,
Yeah.
But then, the American say, you just need to keep your head up. And then the mental health,
yeah.
You need to keep your head up. And Empire also count.
True.
Because I dear be a papa biano.
But somewhere wo.
Yeah. And also me de bema me mami owo me. Sani say oh boa me Empire bomu pa.
Ebusia Kwabena Kwabena ne akotie ne nsem aba ne kyese na wawe mu nsem ne de ne ze wan hwe wo yie ewo nkofo bia wo de wo bo mu wo wiase mu akyese waso ebeye hyepa any comment bia wo bia no betimi eja ewo comment section ho na nkomo ne koso na wo sade betu dwa say even the marriage ni breaky and affecting me mentally o twemu say or compare ne ho with a funny face and as or share time be a chance on funny face be an rare hope because same issue nana it's all so.
And I went through so much.
Yes, you did.
So much. To the extent that just sometimes I look at myself and I'm saying, hey, it's to be married. Yeah. But there's always hope because
the truth will definitely come out.
A way or turning yama. Na afe and yama etimi ejina baby ejina. But then I also needed that experience.
Yeah. For growth.
It's made me a better person.
Yeah.
It's made me realize the right persons to relate to.
And to appreciate the right people around you.
Thank you very much. Asemna no abosoro. And to see the people one more, they got your back. Well, they are betrayed. Sally, Eddie, media make us say me are fortunate.
Yeah.
Me are fortunate because, say, if I'm permitted to say this, I can say I wasn't any far from what's happening to my brother Funny Face.
Yes. Yes.
I'm not so far.
True. I'm telling you.
Whenever I see the brother, Misu, because
that's what we went through.
This could have been me.
Yeah.
And to the young Kayan, you are not by boom. Young Kayano, the son is saying, to give your all to something and then nobody realizes it's excessive. And your mental health as I'm grateful to God, Sebetia, because I didn't know how I got out of it. Sally, I personally didn't do anything. All I did was pray to God and ask God for restoration.
All right.
That's all I did.
And then you put in the work.
Yes. True. Fami boni nina chemio. Miye nipo, miye miro. Man who say, I'm so person the EP ba. I'm say a gospel nyum ne ba. E di enti na
Ebusia na eno no na kyese de Funny Face Kwabena na nkofo bebre enso akomu bieja na so mu buso omu komu a kyerɛ sɛ ka no mu ntimi nka na sɛ chance no mu nyanyaye emfa mekasa nti na yehu ne sa na is a relationship ebrukia being it marriage dating whatever ebrukia etimi de nyoma bebre ba considering our mental health any more sensem ti aya na wa check on unye bia or go through a breakup anase bibia ekoso ewo na brabom na ye kai mu say abato mre aso aka just few weeks na ye to abane santi ho behia se ye bebo ya somdwe mu ba fi so my Ghana de e asomdwe man any update bi afi ho ba am signed baba be so me din e de na na ikwa sansa makram